When thousands of independent variables move without a central plan, the result looks like total, unpredictable chaos. But try to create that same level of disorder on a smaller, more controlled scale. Imagine you're hosting a dinner party for 6 people, and your goal is to prevent any clear social patterns from emerging in the room. To keep the room perfectly random, you have to follow 2 rules. You cannot have a group of 3 mutual friends, and you cannot have a group of 3 complete strangers. You start curating the guest list, carefully checking every connection. You invite one person, then find a second who doesn't know them, then a third who knows the first but not the second, constantly balancing the social web to keep a trio from forming. But the more you try to arrange the guests, the more the system pushes back. Every move you make to split up a group of strangers ends up forcing a group of friends together. Eventually, the math simply runs out. True, patternless chaos cannot exist in a system of this size. This impossibility is governed by Ramsey's theorem, a branch of mathematics that proves order is a guaranteed byproduct of scale. To see how it works, mathematicians strip away the guests and the party, representing the 6 people as these individual data points. In this model, every point must connect to every other point, creating a web of 15 total connections. We represent friendship by coloring a connection blue, and the stranger relationship by coloring the connection red. The mathematical challenge is to color all 15 lines using only blue and red without ever forming a single colored triangle. Focusing on just one dot, its 5 connections extend to the rest of the group. Splitting 5 lines between 2 colors means the pigeonhole principle applies. At least 3 connections must share the same color. Here, 3 are blue. Look at the 3 outer dots at the ends of those blue lines. Since every point is connected, these 3 must also connect to each other. Draw even one blue line between them, and you complete a blue triangle with the original dot. To avoid that blue triangle, you are forced to make every connection between those 3 dots the opposite color, solid red. But by filling those lines in red, you have inadvertently created a solid red triangle. Avoiding one pattern inevitably constructs another. The system is large enough that the connections have nowhere else to go. This geometric limit scales upward. As a system gains more variables, the number and complexity of guaranteed patterns grow along with it. Computer scientists use these mathematical certainties to predict structural behaviors in massive datasets, identifying the symmetrical clusters that must exist within the noise. This theorem establishes the Ramsey numbers for a system, the specific size at which a network becomes so large that certain groupings or bottlenecks become mathematically unavoidable. It defines the point where a routing network is guaranteed to develop specific structural constraints. At this scale, order is an inherent property of the system's size, rather than a result of how the data is organized. These sprawling data streams and dense crowds carry a predictable architecture. Given enough scale, true chaos eventually collapses into a set of mathematically guaranteed patterns. But if the structure of a large system is inevitable, how do the individuals inside that system make the most effective moves? That requires looking at how we find stability through strategy. We'll explore that next with Nash equilibrium.